What is happening, people?
We are at the pier. We are on our way to Koh Phi Phi. It's quite a snazzy.
Follow him.
We'll see you there. Oh, we arrived at the right time. We were at the very front of the queue. That was a touch. Goodbye, Krabby! Demi, first impressions?
I love it.
Sharon?
It's all like little roads, isn't it?
First impression?
I like it.
Krabby, you're here. Here?
Here.
Angela, everybody. Angela's joining us for a little while.
Yeah.
She's from London. I didn't know her, but Kris did. So she's joining in. What is your first impressions, Angela?
So much better, and there's sun. There's actually sun. But yeah, no, it's really nice.
How many times
Traditional.
have you put some
I'm excited for later.
Have a bucket tonight.
Have a bucket tonight. Have a bucket tonight. Have a bucket tonight.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight.
We are having it. We're pretty much in Ibiza right now.
Through all the pressure. But you know we're not the same. Sink or we can swim. Lose or we can.
What's your first impressions of Phi Phi?
Literally my favourite already. It's amazing. Best island by far.
What about you, Dems? Are you good?
I love this island. No, seriously. I love Krabi. I love this island. All the way. All the way. Sucks compared to Phi Phi.
Baby, it hurts. There ain't no doubt. I took you in like a child. You had no one else. Is this
I love Phi Phi. I love Phi Phi.
I love it.
But I love Phi Phi. Yeah.
No, right. I don't think people understand how actually beautiful this place really, really is. And I don't know if you can see this, but oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Right, no, really. I didn't really like Krabi. I'm not a fan. If somebody was saying, "Oh, I'm going to Krabi on holiday," I'd be like, "Okay, have fun." However, if someone said I'm going to Phi Phi on holiday, I would be like, I understand.
it hurts? There ain't no doubt.
What is happening, people? We're at Monkey Beach today from Koh Phi Phi, and it is very, very, very touristy. There's like new boats coming here every 10 or 15 minutes. Like there's literally like hundreds of people on here, and there's loads of boats all on the water, so it's quite hard to find a nice clear bit of sand to actually like lay on and try and swim in the water and stuff. It's quite really, really lively here, but it is really worth it. All the monkeys and that are quite friendly. They jump all over you and eat food out of your hand, drink your water and stuff. It's pretty cool. But it is really expensive over here. It was like 300 baht per person to come to this island, and it's like maybe 4 or 5 minutes on the longtail boat. So it's a lot more money than it is on Krabi, a lot more expensive, and it's more of a party island here. So.
You